Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today is Halloween. I want to tell everybody happy Halloween, and unfortunately today is the last day of Vlogtober, which I'm sad that spooky season is over with, but it's now time for holiday content, and so I'm super excited about that. I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogtober, and I figured why not, try out the GLAMLITE times Halloween 2 collection and put it out on Halloween day. So I went ahead and I ordered the GLAMLITE times Halloween 2. I ordered the entire collection. I ordered the PR box. I ordered the makeup bag, just everything. And that is what I'm wearing on my eyes today, on my face, on my lips. Like I said, I got the PR box. Love this. I am going to display this somewhere in my room. I'm sorry if the light is reflecting. Can't remember what this is called. You know when it's like moving. It has a name. But yeah, this is perfect. The box is absolutely beautiful. I love it. So it does open. It reminds me of like one of those boxes, like one of those storage boxes, and you can totally use it for that. And here is the inside, and as you guys can see, it's nothing in here because I use everything to do this look. So it just says Halloween times the GLAMLITE on the front. Just try to get it in the frame because it's so big. We have the makeup bag. So I had to get the makeup bag, like why not? And what I love about this here makeup bag is I can wear this as a purse. I'm supposed to be going to a haunted house and I'm going to wear this as a purse. So it does come with a strap big enough to put all of my things in here. Came out with the knife mirror, and I love that it's like half a face kind of vibe. I freaking love this. And here's the mirror right there. I don't want to blind you guys too much. And it just has a GLAMLITE right here. And then with the other mirror, it comes in the same box. And GLAMLITE is going to get me in trouble with these mirrors. I can't anymore. I can't buy anymore. I did buy one more from that collection that they just dropped, but I had to get this. This here is their lip kit, and it looks like a cassette tape. I love it. So nostalgic. So here it is. It has all those really nice details. You get a lipstick and a lip gloss and a lip liner, and that's what I'm wearing right now. And I'm telling you guys, smooth like butter. So excited to have that. And then we have the highlighter. It is giving Fenty vibes with the packaging. Last but not least, I think everybody was excited about this. I think everybody was excited about the knife mirror and the eyeshadow palette because that's what we all love to collect. It says Halloween 2, welcome to Haddonfield. Open it on the side like this and has a little picture up there, and here is the palette, you guys. I love it. I didn't even notice those leaves on there. Like, this is just perfect. Like, oh my god. I'm obsessed with this here collection, like seriously. As you guys can see, I already did my eyebrows and I primed my eyes. I'm using the palette for today, and I don't know what I'm gonna do, to be honest with you. All right, so let's go in with Angry. So I'm just using a little small brush, and I'm just patting that color. And when I get towards the end, I'm going to flick it out. And I'm just packing that color on just to build up the intensity of the color. And then I'm just going to flick it out like I just did on the other eye. Take this orange right here, and this is called Halloween Mask. I'm going to take a smaller brush, and I'm going to use that to blend out the edges. You're going to want a smaller brush for this. I did lose some color, so I'm just going to go back in and add a little bit more. Take some micellar water and a flat eyeshadow brush and just clean that up just to make it a little bit sharper. You can use concealer if you want to, but I'm going to use micellar water. I'm just going to dip my brush in here. I'm just going to take a wipe and wipe off that excess micellar water because it is oily. Let me see. Ooh, that's nice. Like the blues are really calling my name, of course. And these colors are so soft, so soft. Go in with Relentless Michael Myers. Might as well. And that is like an orangey shade. I am using a sponge applicator like always. And I'm not going to take that all the way up. I'm going to leave some negative space in the middle. We're just going to go in with Killing It Since 78. And I'm just going to take the bigger portion of the sponge applicator. Right here is called He's Back, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to use that to blend the blue and the orange together. Ooh, really pretty. Oh yeah, that definitely added something. Little bit of this here black. Every day is Halloween, and I'm going to add that on the outer parts, and I'm just going to take a little bit and just like build it up because I want to bring some intensity on the outer part. And I'm not bringing it all the way up, I'm just keeping it right here, and that's just going to help blend that little edge right there. Alright, so I have these little iridescent rhinestones that I want to add along the way. And yeah, just some little iridescent rhinestones. So we're going to add those. So I added my rhinestones. I was going to go all the way across, but listen, hold on. This little rhinestone picker up thing, I don't know if I'm using it wrong or not. I'm gonna have to give me some putty because girl, the rhinestones kept falling. They're not identical, but we're gonna go with it. But you guys see what kind of look I was going for, okay? Back into the Halloween 2 palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here, Haddonfield Memorial Hospital. I'm going to take that, and this is just a chocolate brown, and I'm going to take that to contour and see what that looks like. Oh, now, let's not do that. I just, ooh, child. Girl. It said you want a contour. I got something for you. Now I gotta match the other side, but it works. we're gonna go in with some bronzer because that's real, like, yeah, that's giving shadow. So it did not come with the blush. So we're gonna go back into the palette and use this orange shade. Probably won't be able to see it. And I am using a big brush. Yeah, probably won't be able to see it as much. I'm back. So I'm gonna go in with this blush from NYX. Put that on. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's bringing Halloween. Oh yeah, really pretty. It's giving pumpkin. I'm gonna take this color right here called One Good Scare. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put that in my inner tear duct. Ooh, wow. Ooh. We're gonna try out the highlighter, and here is the packaging, you guys. So freaking cute. I love it. And here's the back. Ooh, nice. Nice. You know, regular degular highlighter is not doing too much. This color here can go with just about any look that you can do, and you can build this up as well. And I think it would look really good on top of like a base or something. So if you were to put down like a cream highlighter and put this on top, I feel like it'll just really pop. But I think it looks really good on my cheekbones, and I like this. This is something I can see myself really reaching for. I'm super excited to try the lip kit. I really don't want to use it because then I have to sharpen it, just messing up the packaging. I'm actually going to use the knife mirror because the whole entire time I've been using the bigger mirror. Watch this for you guys. Look at that. Perfect. So it's just a brown lip liner, so I'm gonna go ahead and do. This lip liner is extremely smooth. It's going on very well. So here is the lipstick. Oh yeah, this is perfect. This is my kind of nude. Oh yeah, like straight up nude. Okay, so let's put it on. I should have tried the lip gloss on. Just kind of tone it down a little bit. Oh yeah, that's nice. I will swatch the lip gloss for you guys though. But the gloss actually looks good on top. It really smoothed everything out. Okay, so this is the final look. We're using the whole collection from GLAMLITE times Halloween 2, and I love it. I love the way the eye look turned out, the colors. Like, let's not even get started on how well they applied on my eyes. Like, I had no problem. Like, GLAMLITE eyeshadows are amazing anyway. So yeah, I had no problem. The lip is perfect. Everything is perfect. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this here video. I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogtober, and I'm sad that spooky season is over with. Now it's turkey time. Okay, it's turkey time, and then it's the holidays, so I'm super excited about that. Thank you so much for watching. I didn't do everything that I wanted to do, and I didn't post every day, but I made sure that I was still consistent. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did make a Vlogtober playlist, so, you know, if you guys want to go and watch it. So up to you. I will leave a link down below. Make sure you guys comment down below and thumbs up this video, and subscribe if you like what you see on my whole entire channel. And I'm super excited about November's content because I've been planning ahead. So I will see you guys in another video. Bye.